Hi, let us start our lesson. This is second session of the political science lesson, power sharing. So last time we have discussed about two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka, what they have power, in which areas they have power, it may be in language, religion, location, etc. We have discussed last time, and how they are they success in sharing of powers in their countries. Let us start from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, we know that. So Sri Lanka is independence on 1947. Let's get its independence. What happened at the time? After getting independence, the majority, the power is with Sinhala. The people who speak Sinhala language, they are very powerful. How they share the power? Their power sharing is a lot of problems, because 1956 Act tells that the Sinhala gets supported, but remaining Tamil people were disrespected. Means they not share the power properly, so the problem has created. So what is the result of the problem? There is a civil war. Power not shared properly in Sri Lanka between the language, between the religion. So because of that, so many people lives has gone. But at the same time, you see in Belgium, they are Dutch and French. Between them, there is a smart what relation created by the government. From 1970 to 1993, there is some rules and acts came over there that makes what the people, maybe they speak Dutch, they speak French, whoever, any religion they are, the first class or fantastic religion created. How? Minister in central government, the people who speak Dutch or the people who speak French, they given equal what place in the government. Of course, in state government also, they given chance to rule, and they given all the facilities at the government side. Even community government, means local government also, both the side were take the chance. So in this way, what happened? The friendship built between two types of language speakers or two types of culture people. So this all makes in Belgium what? A positive environment between French, between Dutch, who the people speak different language or different culture they live. Okay, so this is the statistic of Belgium, how the power shared properly. In Belgium, power shared properly, that's why there is no problem. But in Sri Lanka, what happened? We observed that the power shared only the majority. They not given power to minority. Okay, 18% we observed. They not get any facilities. Okay, so here we want to understand why the power sharing is very important for any country. So the power sharing is avoid the civil war. Means if you not share the power properly, means you will face the war from people, those who get angry, those who not get proper power share. If you wrong power share, means definitely there is a war. And of course you want to give the power to vote. So every human being, irrespective of religion, caste, language, gender, anything, you should give the power to vote and power to elect the right government. Then only what? Your power sharing is success. That's why the power sharing is very important to avoid the war and to get the government. Let us see what next. Forms of power sharing. What are the forms of power sharing? In which way power is going to share? So the power sharing institutions are there for any country. Clear. One is legislative, executive and judicial. Okay, we have heard last year lesson, this is about legislative, what to executive, what to judicial. This all share the power throughout the countries for everybody, for every citizen. And second point is, so different level government also share the power. Means there is a central government, there is a state government, and one more is local government. This all three government works to share the power properly, works to reach the power for every individual. Respect the every individual power and share it properly for the country development. Clear? That's why the forms of power sharing is very important. These all works for sharing of power. And next one is distribution of social power. Means in society, so many religions we can observe, maybe Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Parsis, etc. So these people also have power. It's not by minority and majority. Equally you should distribute the power. That's why power sharing is very important. Of course, and you want to distribute for political parties. Any party can raise in nation. Any party can get the power. Any party come to the government. It may be Congress, it may be BJP, or it may be any other JDS or something. So power they also should have. They also can share in the country. Okay. So let's continue for our next session. If you have